In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Google Forms ownership from one account to another. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Transferring ownership can seem like a daunting task, but I'm here to assure you that it's a straightforward process. Whether you're working within a team or simply need to hand over a form to someone else, we'll take it step by step to ensure you're comfortable and clear on every part of the process. First things first, let's open your web browser and head over to Google Drive. You can do this by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and pressing Enter. Once you land on the Google Drive homepage, you'll see a familiar interface with all your files and folders neatly organized. Now, on the left side of your screen, look for the icon or menu that says Apps. Clicking on that will unveil a list of applications available to you, and among those we need to select Forms. Go ahead and click on it. This action will redirect you to the main page housing all of your Google Forms. Here's where you'll want to take a moment to browse through your forms to find the specific one you intend to transfer. Once you've located the form, simply click to open it. With the form now open, shift your gaze to the top right corner of the screen, where you will find the Share button. By clicking on this button, you'll access the sharing settings. These settings are crucial as they dictate who has access to your form and what they can do with it. Within the sharing settings, you will see a field where you can add another collaborator's email address. This is where you'll input the email of the person you want to transfer ownership to. Go ahead and type in their email address. You might notice some additional options popping up below, and one of those is a section labeled General Access. This is an important step. Now click on General Access, and you should see an option to change the visibility from Restricted to Anyone with the link. Selecting Anyone with the link is essential if you want the new owner to have full access without a hitch. If this step is overlooked, the person you're transferring ownership to may encounter issues accessing the form properly, which can lead to confusion and delays. Once you've made these adjustments and entered the email address, it's time to save your changes. Click Done to finalize your settings. Congratulations! You've successfully added the new collaborator and set the appropriate access level. At this stage, the individual you're transferring ownership to now has the ability to view and edit the form just like you do. Keep in mind that the person who will be receiving ownership will have the same rights as you currently possess. So it's crucial to ensure you are comfortable with them having full control over the form. This ability to delegate tasks or transition responsibilities is a significant feature that can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're working on team projects or need to pass on a project to another colleague without losing any crucial data or configurations. The entire process is quite simple and can be completed in just a few minutes, making it an efficient way to manage your forms while ensuring that the right individuals have the necessary access when needed. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one. We're committed to bringing you useful content that can help simplify your digital tasks. Catch you in the next video.